Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable setting up Adobe Fonts for brand websites, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Adobe Fonts for your brand websites, start by signing in to your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Navigate to the Adobe Fonts website. Once logged in, click on the Browse Fonts option. You will see a variety of font families available for use. Use the search bar to find specific fonts that align with your brand's identity. After selecting a font, review its styles and weights. Once you have chosen a font, click the toggle switch to activate it. Next, create a new web project by clicking on the Web Projects tab. In the Web Project menu, click the Create a Web Project button. Name your project and select the activated fonts you wish to use. Copy the provided embed code that appears after creating the web project. Now, open your brand website's HTML file in a code editor. Locate the head section of your HTML document. Paste the copied embed code within the head section. Save your HTML file and close the code editor. Open your website in a web browser to confirm the fonts are displaying correctly. To apply the fonts to your CSS, add a font family rule in your style sheet. Make sure to reference the Adobe Fonts name accurately in your CSS. Test the website to see how the new fonts enhance your brand's look and feel. Finally, adjust the font sizes and styles in your CSS as needed for better readability. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled Adobe Fonts for your brand website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.